Our first stop of the day, of course, Walmart. You can't even see it.
We're not even like 15 minutes in.
I know, we're like 15 minutes in and we're already stopping. By the time we get there, we won't even need 3 nights, we'll need 2 nights because we'll get there by tomorrow. Aaron's almost gonna get hit by a car.
I mean,
that's okay, we never needed him anyways. Yeah. I just need your body so I can get into, because you're old enough.
The password
if you're dead, does that count?
The password for my YouTube channel is...
Oh, okay. Dead. Say that on YouTube, please.
You can have it all.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Mocking the... Oh, yeah.
Don't let me forget.
At least some I have, I just hate. They're not even my friends.
Damn, that's... Yeah.
Damn, Will. Oh, be strong, baby. Oh.
I think if you went back, oh, was that back all the way?
Yeah. Gary, so we're gonna try that right there. Oh, wow. I was hoping it'd spin. Oh, look, there's a Gamer Green tag. That's kind of cool.
Gamer Green is a joke. Freaking hate that company.
I'm at the stand-up comedy club. I'm like, all right, so thanks guys for coming. Gamer Green, and everyone starts laughing.
The best joke all night.
Okay. Let's try that. Oh no. Nah, I don't think that's gettable.
You don't think maybe if you go more for its head, not really.
I tried, but it doesn't spin right. I don't know, man. Let's just go for this monkey. Should I just drop it right there?
Try it, fam.
Oh
no! Ooh, he has a suction cup on him, so it makes him that much more valuable.
So much more valuable.
This way.
Right there.
No, this way. Oh.
No, that's impossible.
There's no way.
Right.
Get how crazy this is. Frank that does my Walmart or on Joe Max is here doing these machines, so that's really cool.
Yeah. That's really cool.
Bro.
I know. I mean that too.
They just did something to this by like a Denny's by me, and they put minions and balls in there, and it's like so stupid. It's like
minions and balls.
What? Oh, that's yours? The one over by the one over on I think it's like Happy Valley or Deer Valley or something. Dang.
Oh, what is that? Oh man.
Damn. It's $1?
Yeah.
Dang. What a.
Dang. Alright, focus, everything's
good.
Ooh, I think that's got him. Oh,
that's what? No.
Man, reality just like hit like that.
Okay, that's really cool.
What? Oh, that guy?
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna stand on this side, right?
Should I go like right?
No, it's not gonna close all the way.
Well, if I get over this big Roomba. Oh.
No. Remember, we're playing Frank's machines here.
Now I can get them. Even that Cubs guys. Remember when you wanted like Cubs squash or something?
I think it was the blue one, right?
I don't know. You got like.
That was Red Sox.
Oh, was it? Maybe it was Tottenham, I think. Who wanted the Cubs, I think.
Yeah, get right around its legs.
Okay, right there. Oh, that's so perfect.
Dead zone. Oh no, you got it. Wow.
Sweet. Good.
You know, maybe you can probably get that monkey right there because it has such a big chin. Yeah.
Oh, maybe. Oh.
It seems like it has some grip to it.
This side. Right there. I think that should have him. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little shaky shake when it's right there.
Don't. If you're gonna do it right.
Oh.
Right, let's see. just.
Come on. Oh. Hold on. It's fine, Aaron.
All you gotta do is when it goes down, just move the machine forward like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready? Get this good.
Yeah, hold on.
So I might go to prison for this. Wait, I don't want to do it.
I'll do it. I'll be the one going to prison. Right now.
Yeah, I'll do it. Oh. Okay, it's not probably a good idea. We're alone.
Oh, they got it. Will.
It's like, oh, okay, that should be good. Oh my god. It's like about to fall in too.
All you gotta do is just get it down there and then just.
Oh my god.
Man.
Really?
Wait.
That was not a good idea. Where have I been to this before?
Oh yeah, we did it at Denny's before. Yeah.
Oh no. Really, Aaron, if you didn't shake it, it wouldn't have felt cool.
I think it still would have fell.
No.
It would have felt. It's cool, they got one. Maybe?
Don't say that just to me. Don't say the answer I want to hear. Say the answer that's logical.
Remember you raked one of the. Oh, well, okay, you screwed that one up.
Just like the one.
Maybe you should just try to grab it.
You know, this isn't a good idea, but I'm going to try it.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Oh, wow.
That was cray cray.
It really was. Okay. I'm gonna attempt to grab this. It's not gonna be.
You know you might actually just close.
Oh,
Oh man.
pull my finger.
Pull my finger through my booty.
3 seconds to flip the med sky. Oh my god, that drift though. Okay, I'm gonna get it caught in there.
If you get it in there, I wouldn't drop it. I would just drag stuff over with it. You know what I mean? I mean, it's
what if do you think I could get it stuck?
That's what I just said.
So like,
yeah, get all the way over
I
there.
have to drop it on it first to actually like even get in there.
Ooh.
So,
Wait. Yeah.
oh, that's so hard to do. It's like
4, 3,
just go for it.
2. I wouldn't have done that.
Oh.
What if you get it in the?
Now.
Yeah. Or what if you get it? See the part on the side that's kind of lifted up? What if you like flipped it over and got it in there? Ooh.
I actually want to see if I can get it stuck though. That'd be so cool to start dragging things in. Oh shoot! I think I really.
Wait, hold on. Well, you need to go your way a little bit.
I don't know.
Ooh, I don't know.
I doubt it actually. What if I got it? That'd be cool. You know what? I'm not doing it. What do you think?
It's up to you, man. It might work because it's gonna drag it over at the same time. Ooh.
Oh. Alright, last try.
Probably not gonna happen.
What about that domo? I feel like I could do something with that. Like.
I feel like I could do something with my life, but I just don't.
No. That's a feeling that's not true.
There you go.
Let's try. Let's just see where it takes us, you know? Ooh.
Oh well. What'd you get?